Myntri ka Sorkar Jylla ubadai peit ya katanat Community and Rural Development C&RD uba sosna sotun mentagasngi ula Plie paidbah ya ka program Sampoornata Abhiyan 2.0 Haribhoi District kabadai ka wena ki aspirational district jongka Jylla Meghalaya kane ka program ka don ka thong ban kentiu bat ban pen state ya ka roi ka par hapo ka district ka Sampoornata Abhiyan 2.0 kadai ka sinjam ka bakongsan jongka Sorkar India ha ka bala ithu ya kisan tli ki key performance indicator ban bishar bat pekngor ya ka jingyat shaprang jong ki aspirational district kini ki key performance indicator ki kentup ya ka koit ka khia ka jingnang jing start bat ka jingyada ya ka jingim ki paidbah kum ka jingya khun persha ya ka jingpang tv lana tuberculosis ka jingpikir ya ka koit ka khia ki khlung ki badang sukha ka jingyo ya ki jaka lech shabar ka batikna na ka benta ki khna kan thei ha ki school ka jingpenbiang ya ki dawai bat ka jingyo jingyarap injection jong ki mran bat ru ka jingya khun na ka benta ka khut ka soba ha ki jaka nongkendong bat ha ki sor ya kate ka jingyalang Plie paidbah ya ka Sampoornata Abhiyan 2.0 lapenlong ha parish hall nongpo ha ka bala sakhilang dauba meral bonds im MLA ka nongpo constituency ha ka jingya don rangkat u Abhilash Baranwal IAS officer ubadai u deputy commissioner ka Ribhoi district ha rangkat ki officer na gitnat Sorkar bapher ka jingyat paidbah jongka Sampoornata Abhiyan 2.0 ka long kada ka jing angnut jongka Sorkar ban pendap ya ki jingduna ha ka roi ka par bat ban kentiu ya ka imlang saalang ha baro kisnong jongka Ribhoi district kabalayo ya ka kerdan kum ka aspirational district ha bakren ha ka jingyalang uba sosten sotun ulaong bakane ka program katmu ban penpoi ya ki kampen roi syaki nongkendong kamtam ha ki benta bala ithu hapo ka aspirational district framework ula kentu ya baro kitanat Sorkar bakindon ka jingya trelang kabajan khnang banla ban pentrei kam hok ya ki kampen roi ki bakongsan kamtam ha ka liang ka koit ka khia ka pule puthi ka rep karyang bat ka jingkentiu ki sap jong ki khun samla bat kiwi ki benta ki bayade bat ka roi ka par upaidbah
two terms which most of you might not be able to even pronounce properly. So I feel that it is my duty as the administrative head of the district to make sure that you understand, not only understand the terms, but you also internalize what is it that Niti Aayog, the Government of India and the Government of Meghalaya wants us to do through this mission. So Sampoornata, in Hindi Sampoorn means complete, Sampoornata means completeness. Sampoornata Abhiyan means a mission to complete the different indicators that are relevant for our health, education, agriculture, etc. This is Sampoornata Abhiyan 2.0. Last year Sampoornata Abhiyan 1 was launched by Niti Aayog, under which 6 indicators were selected for the district, and the districts were asked to saturate these 6 indicators across the district. We have 112 aspirational districts. This was launched in all these districts together. The districts were given the target that in these 6 indicators which span across health, ICDS, education and agriculture, we were supposed to saturate the district as far as those 6 indicators were concerned. And sir, you will be very happy to know that with the kind support of all the local representatives and with the kind support of the Government of Meghalaya, out of these 6 indicators, our team, and when I say our team, it includes the administrative officials, but more importantly, the line department heads. Our team were able to successfully saturate the district in 3 out of these 6 indicators. As a result of which, the district administration was also bestowed with award by Honorable Governor of Meghalaya. Now, today marks the occasion when we are launching Sampoornata Abhiyan 2.0. Just for the benefit of all, I would like to read the indicators that have been proposed to be saturated by the end of this program. The first is percentage of babies, live babies who are being weighed at birth. Why is this important? It is important because through the weight, the doctors are able to have a fair understanding of how healthy the newborn is. So whether it is an institutional delivery or in those rare cases where this is a home delivery, the Government of India and the Government of Meghalaya wants us to ensure that every live baby is weighed at birth. Second is Anganwadi centers and UPSCs who are conducting VHSND every month. VHSND is one medium through which the AWCs or the entire health department and ICDS comes together to ensure that the women get their ANC care as well as the children are immunized. These two things are absolute keystones in ensuring that the IMR and MMR, which has haunted India and Meghalaya for long, comes down. Third is TB case notification rate against estimated cases. In this, not only will require support from the public health practitioners, that is our doctors and health staff from the public health institutions, but will also have to rope in all the private doctors. As since TB is a notified case, the moment any doctor comes to know about TB present in any patient suffering from TB, they are duty bound, they are legally bound to inform the government. So the government wants us to ensure that the TB notification rate goes to 100%, and by this, what we can make sure is that TB is contained in the localities or is contained within the persons that they have been found, and the vision of Government of India and Government of Meghalaya is to make India and Meghalaya TB Bharat is realized. Fourth is percentage of animals vaccinated. Dr. Kanduli is here. She is our animal husbandry veterinary officer. We have been talking about how extremely important the vaccination of the animals are. And madam, this year we have got an indicator under Sampoornata Abhiyan 2.0. So the data will be passed to you how to make sure that we achieve saturation in the same. from whatever help we from district administration can give you and from Government of Meghalaya can be given, we'll make sure that we get that. The idea is that 100% of our animals which are domesticated should be vaccinated. Finally, the fifth indicator that has been given for ADP is schools with functional girls' toilet. Sir, I'd like to inform you that the Government of Meghalaya has also taken huge strides when it comes to ensuring that all these schools have adequate facilities, toilets being the number one of them. And simultaneously, from district administration also, with the help of All India Limited, a PSU, we recently signed an MOU under which we are going to construct 47 girls' toilets across different schools of Ribhoi. The schools which are identified to have a boys' toilet but no separate girls' toilet. So that's about it, sir. As of now, our percentage is around 98% in that, but hopefully by the end of this program we will have covered 100% in that. That was so again to re-emphasize Sampoornata Abhiyan 2.0, even though it has come from India, but it is completely in line with what the Government of Meghalaya and the Government of India has been trying to do. That is to ensure that whatever schemes are there from Government of Meghalaya and India, they reach the right beneficiaries at the right time when they need it the most, so that nobody who is entitled to any benefit goes deprived. By achieving saturation in all these indicators, at least for 5 of these things, we are going to be monitored for next 3 months. And this is the time when I request my HODs who have been supporting the district administration and who have been performing spectacularly that we should all buckle up and ensure that our performance in Sampoornata Abhiyan 2.0 should be even better than Sampoornata Abhiyan 2.0. Sorry, Sampoornata Abhiyan 1.0. So probably this is a sort of clarion call also that at least for these 5 indicators we must put renewed focus and ensure that we have achieved 100% saturation. But simultaneously, the related indicators will also improve upon itself as we work towards ensuring that there are, we achieve saturation in these priorities.
Dokumen dari sini beliau dalam mereka berarti beliau punya share beliau punya tip yaitu ideas dari programs di beberapa negara kajian yang ada district kecuali berkunjung negara di blocks di beberapa atau dari segi juga chiefly dari the launching of Sampoornata Abhiyan 2.0. Respected officers from all line departments, thank you so much for your hard work, and to all the groups, different groups, organizations, SSGs, Agarwadi, workers, headmen, nanti baru di non-functional, di longkumi iranpa, di sama, di bersama, beraya performance kecuali kumkedak kepa inhapan burung nak menca di performance kecuali kepa kopi benten mau ini ya kepa ini hasim ya ke jimburung agili berkutin kecuali ke culture kepa ini dan kubesyukun ini pun sama performance kepa Ibang api telah perform balong di lenti na kemenca pantentiu pat lagi kawai di performance sa kabang api laai asam jiwai agbi relate ke kiri bat kakot kerja kepada itu fungsi kenta na key indicators aga apo jong ka aspirational district program, aspirational block program. Jadi program alor ka vision jong ka niti ayok agama la launch ya ka Sampoornata Abhiyan 1 but ka target point nagamata kerika launching ya ka Sampoornata Abhiyan 1 kalong ka Pak kepada mengibaro kungi nawiyam ki officers bagi paidbah baru ki badan report ke district ke juni bad ki blocks ki badan report ke district ke juni kami ke aspirational district bad ya ke aspirational block. Katong jong Sorkar Jylla lembaga vision jong niti ayok hakabai di program sebagai iba nakalian di Deputy Commissioner dalam berbagai yang kita key indicators target kaba Ironkam nagabansa berpintiu nagabansa kerunuka development ya ketong jauh Sorkar i officials baru i line department baru nagabansa kuno bangila banpoi yang kita target nagapta ke juntoy ke jong paidbah. Having see jong the launching of Sampoornata Abhiyan 2.0. Karena tadi tangga launching of this program, but it is at the same time a renewed process, renewed promise, but could achievement my yang kejumpuan nakamta kumpuwa ngina ban boy sekatong ban benda naga 50 seka 60%, 70%, 80%, 90%, but then harus boleh seka 100% kapag ka saturation. But yang kita komitmen kapag nakian di departments di beberapa office to Deputy Commissioner, the line departments prepare, jadi yang ketong kawa mapipidon ringka kecil bah inong ki officers, ki rangkasong, ki groups di prepare, bahwa ketong kali lima kecil lalu nakalian office Deputy Commissioner issue yang initiatives kawan kilapan 100% yang kata Juntri Jogi dari bila mulai lakukan kejutan nakalian di officers lain lakukan kejutan nakalian di beneficiaries lain wale Hokanusa Shibuma Hakini apakah Kampang haki enrollment of our Hakabaki beneficiaries Kibabulu Kido Ekijiman Tor But Limpa Kachintreyan Limpa Kachintrestom Kachintreyan Kajong di line departments, the health department, the officers Ringan Kachin Persohu Manu Kachin Shirma Immediately Economic Persohu di Paidbah Ngisi Bari Hashem Bagi Paidbah Iyo Ekitin Syai Baka benefits Lali kata Kachin Betul Kabang Maki Kinyo Nagi schemes Europe Nagarian di programs Lali nagarian di projects di schemes berbeda Ibadah Sorkar Jylla Gabui di Jakarta Ibi Baru Inaunasyon I Panusyon Baru Babi Aye Ujini Trayan Lalaba Ujini Trayan Kawan